If you manage a busy Telegram group, creating topics is one of the best ways to keep conversations organized and easy to follow. Instead of one long chat where everything gets mixed together, topics let you separate discussions into different sections so members can find what they need faster. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create topics in a Telegram group, step by step, in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and go to the group where you are an admin. This part is important because only admins can enable topics in a group. Once you're inside the group, look for the Manage option on the right side and click it. This opens the group settings where you can control different features for the group. Now, in the management settings, find the Topics option. Go ahead and enable it. Turning on Topics tells Telegram that you want this group to support separate discussion threads. After you enable it, make sure to click Save so the change is applied properly. This step is important because without saving, the feature may not turn on. Once topics are enabled, go back and open the group again. You should now see the new topic tools available. In the top corner, click the three-dot icon to open the menu. From that menu, select Create Topic. This is where you can start a brand new discussion thread inside the group. After that, type in the topic name you want to use. Try to choose a clear name that matches the discussion, like Announcements, Support, General Chat, or Updates. A good topic name makes it much easier for group members to understand what the thread is for at a glance. Once you've entered the name, click Create. And that's it. Your Telegram topic is now created. You can repeat the same process to create more topics for different parts of your group, which is especially useful for communities, study groups, teams, and businesses. It helps keep everything neat, structured, and much easier to manage. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.